Hello, everyone. I'm Swati from Pharma State Academy. And on behalf of all the attendees today, I welcome the esteemed authors, marketing guru, Professor Philippe Kotler, Professor Waldemar, and Professor Ube, and all the speakers from Indian pharmaceutical industry too. A very warm welcome to all the session attendees, which includes MBA students, CEOs, managing directors, and many dignitaries from across the industries. This is a dream come true for Pharma State Academy and all of us here. And we all at our academy were aware of the new book, Human to Human Marketing. We were keen to hear from the authors more about this book, but had no courage to ask them to join us for a virtual event. But somewhere we gathered the courage and trusted that it is possible. And I'm still wondering if this is true or a dream. Thank you. Thank you so much, authors, for this opportunity. And as this session is also a part of Professor Kotler's 90th birthday celebrations, we wish that he blesses us for many more years through his innovative work. It is going to be a wonderful session today, and we have Gauri Chaudhary to moderate this session. Let me take a moment to introduce the moderator for today's session. Gauri Chaudhary is a pharma and healthcare marketing, advertising, and branding professional for over 27 years experience with over 27 years of experience. She's also an author of Amazon bestseller, The Perfect Pill, 10 Steps to Build a Strong Healthcare Brand. Gauri Chaudhary regularly writes for business publications and is quoted for her views on healthcare sector. Over to you, Ms. Gauri Chaudhary, to moderate the session.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Swati. And like you said, it's really dream come true. I mean, one was not really sure whether we'll be able to do this kind of session together, but thank you so much for getting all the authors together and a very relevant time. All of us really need to know during this pandemic how human to human marketing is going to help us. Of course, Professor Kotler needs no introduction. I can guarantee that there won't be a single person in today's audience whose life is not touched by Professor Kotler's work. In fact, his work is what connects all of us and makes us a big family of marketing professionals all over the world. Over the past many years, Professor Kotler has written several books, and he continues guiding and inspiring us in our professional journeys. So I know for sure, whenever there is a dilemma in our lives, be a young trainee or a managing director, he or she just opens Professor Kotler's writings and try to find answers to their problems. So Professor Kotler, as Dr. Swati said, we have a very esteemed audience today, all ears to hear what you have to say to them. There are a managing directors, CEOs of pharma and non-pharma companies, seasoned marketing professionals and from several countries, and many young students from these schools who want to hear you. And yes, my friends in the audience, let me tell you, we are fortunate to have Professor Waldemar and Professor Ube. They are the co-authors of book H2H Marketing. They will help us understand what truly constitutes human integrity in marketing and how through marketing we can make this world a better place. During this pandemic, the companies are under stress, profits are under pressure, we have multiple dilemmas. Should we chase profits at the cost of customer service? When customers are refusing to meet us, should we still push our brands or take a step back? And maybe in this situation, how do we do justice to customers, to the companies, and every other stakeholder? The authors will help us resolve some of these issues or dilemmas. For the rest, one has to read their book, H2H Marketing. Interestingly, today we also have 4 experts from the industry who will elaborate on how these H2H marketing principles can be adapted to our daily marketing activities. Though none of the authors or speakers need any introduction, Dr. Swati insists that I must do that. So every one of us know marketing guru, Philip Kotler. He's one of the world's leading authorities in marketing. He was the S.C. Johnson and Son Distinguished Professor of International Marketing at Kellogg's Northwestern University. He is the author of several books which changed the modern marketing thinking and has received many accolades for his contribution globally. He has consulted several multinational companies and also advised governments on how to develop stronger public agencies for the further development of nation's economic well-being. So thank you, Professor Kotler, for coming here.
Thank you.
Our next speaker is going to be Professor Waldemar. Professor Waldemar is Professor Emeritus at Pforzheim University of Applied Sciences, Pforzheim Business School, Germany. Students across USA, Europe, India, and China are benefited from his teaching. He is one of the world's leading authorities in B2B marketing and industrial brand management. He has extensive experience in management consulting. He is the co-author or author of many books, more than 30 books in German and English, and he has written numerous articles. So welcome, Professor Waldemar. Professor Uwe, welcome to you. Professor Uwe is a professor for service engineering, innovation management, design thinking, B2B marketing and sales, as well as strategic management at FHWS, University of Applied Sciences, Wurzburg, Schweinfurt, Germany. He also teaches at Christ University, Bangalore, India, and several other foreign universities. He has supported companies with design thinking and consulting projects. He is a founding partner of In Situ Management Consulting and Body Stance GmbH. Welcome to all the three authors, and we are really looking forward to very interesting session.